I'm going on the NCL Prima!
Oh no!
I'm so excited! Mom just booked us on the NCL Prima. But then she found out something that has her regretting it big time. It's crazy and almost feels like they made a catastrophic error when they designed the ship. So let me back up a sec. In case you haven't heard, the Prima is NCL's newest ship, and they absolutely raised the bar on what you'd expect on a cruise ship. And that's really saying something, because I've been on their newer ships, like the Bliss and the Escape, and they are already amazing. But this one, it sounds like the best ship ever! It's got everything my family loves, and they've amped it all up. They've got virtual reality games, the biggest go-kart racetrack at sea ever. In fact, it goes on 3 different decks, an escape room, water slides, and amazingly, dry slides too, which I'm so excited about because sometimes you just don't want to go to the trouble of putting on your bathing suit. But even better, they seem to have amped up other activities. Like they have miniature golf with smart golf balls that do cool things, and darts that are integrated with technology, that sort of thing. So you can imagine how excited we were. Then Mom's watching one of her favorite YouTubers who does the absolute best ship tours, Hard Travel, and give me a thumbs up if you agree because their videos are the best. But then this happened.
Now, one thing that's different about the Prima than the previous ships is it does not have a separate entourage teen club.
That's right, you heard it. No entourage, no teen room. I think every single NCL ship has a teen room, but not this one. It's like they designed it and just maybe forgot to put it in. So strange. First, don't panic if you have younger children. They're still covered in the Splash Academy. But if you're a teen like me, you are on your own. Personally, that's okay with me. Don't get me wrong, I love Entourage on their other ships. But this ship has so many activities, I don't think I'll be bored at all. But my mom and dad are kind of disappointed because they did love sending me to Entourage and knowing that I'd meet other teens because I'm an only child. So it's not like I've got a brother or sister to hang out with. But it's all good. As far as I'm concerned, I know this might shock you, but I actually like hanging out with my parents sometimes. And the ship has plenty of things we can do together. Also, I'm hoping that they'll have teen group activities where I can meet other teens. Hard Travel kind of insinuated that that's the case in their YouTube tour, but I called NCL to try to get specifics and couldn't get any. So if you have been on the Prima and remember seeing any of those teen events, please comment down below. I'm still so crazy excited and just feel so lucky to get to go. And I can't wait to take some footage that I can share with you. So hit that subscribe button so that you'll be the first to see it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Also, only a small percentage of my viewers actually hit that subscribe button, so I'd really appreciate it if you are one of the amazing ones who do. Thanks again.